is changing, we'll print out the type of this pi variable. So type is another special word in Python where you can check the type of something. So we'll save and then run. And you can see in one case we have what's called a float because we have a decimal. In the other case we have a string, which means we can use the split method on it, and we can use lots of other methods too. And if we just had the number 3, that would be an integer. So let's go ahead and check that. Print type of 3, and we'll run this again. Okay, so let's go ahead and print out each digit of pi. So we'll say for digit in